Hi guys, been to Sainsbury's today and I bought £2.75. I've bought this for £2.75. This for £2.75. Meat-free barbecue bites. £2.75 for these, eh? And welcome to 100% vegetarian. I'm very disappointed with these. They're not nice, they're horrible, they taste foul. Not worth £2.75. Let's give them another bite, shall we? And that's worth £2.75. Three's that's called. Meat-free BBQ. Nah, not working, not no. I'm very, very disappointed with that. If I'm new £2.75, you're kidding me, right? £2.75 fucking five. I'm happy with that. I'm disappointed with that. It tastes like rank and horrible. And pepperoni, that guy does YouTube. Don't try these out. Please don't. Don't make your family ill. So, meat-free barbecue bites. Keep in the freezer, says. Will buy them again? No, they were absolutely horrible. Taste rank. The sauce is crap in it. Rubbish. Pretty disgusting. So, get out of it.